You must have spotted a chatbot in the bottom right corner of websites when checking your bank account, booking a train ticket, or even when booking a hotel stay. And you must have observed that it responds to you in some basic ways but transfers you to actual human if things go out of hand. These are called bots and they can be found all over the internet. So, bots are the programs that are built to perform a given activity at a rate that humans cannot. And because of this, they account for roughly 45% of all the web traffic worldwide. The problem is these bots are not always nice. Some of them are bad bots, and these bots are the internet's main problem, gradually consuming the largest spending department, which is the advertising industry. The online ad industry is worth around $400 billion dollars, and 40% or roughly 160 billion worth of advertisement is seen by the bots. And that's a sizable amount. And to give you an idea, the Qatar's overall GDP is $160 billion dollars. So, over half of the money spent on web advertisements is for views that aren't even visible to humans, that aren't even seen by humans. So, brands don't want to pay a lot of money for their advertisements, according to the content creators, because they are not even sure if the ads on the content or the videos are being watched by humans or they are watched by the bots. For years, many businesses have been attempting to combat this problem. And here is where Verasity comes in. Hello and welcome to Crypto's Monopoly. My name is Daksh and this is the 100x Crypto series. In this episode of the 100x Crypto series, I will tell you about a very interesting project solving a major issue of the media world. And at the end, I will give you my opinion on Verasity and also give my prediction, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Verasity is all over the news nowadays, and it's in the news because it has recently received the US patent for its proof of view algorithm. And it is the flagship algorithm of Verasity that can differentiate between the real and the fake views, solving one of the biggest problems of the advertising industry. Here, when a content creator submits a video to a Verasity-enabled platform, the bot views are instantly detected and removed, ensuring that only the real human views are allowed in the videos. It also ensures that the video viewed on the site is genuine, and then it confirms and record it as a permanent and irreversible public record. So POV or proof of view was developed to provide solutions to two big problems. The first one is the fake views and the second one is the big tech companies' monopoly over ads. Now, we have already seen how Veracity is solving the first big problem, that is the problem of fake views. Now, let us see how are they going to stop the monopoly of big tech companies over ads. And this part is going to be very important if you are planning to invest in this project. So make sure you pay attention to this. Now, before we move forward, if you are liking this video, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button. So the way of viewing videos over the internet has changed significantly. People nowadays focus on independent creators on free platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Vimeo. The content creators, publishers, and small corporations in these existing mainstream sites get a very small fraction of the value generated by viewers, and a large part goes to these big companies. And nowadays, various mediums and middlemen, everyone wants their cut and demand higher quality content. So Veracity saw this major problem and came with a solution. On the Veracity video sharing service, they restructured how people get paid. Instead of creators getting paid by advertisers, viewers reward the creators. This removes the influence that advertisers and other third parties have on how content is ranked or surfaced. And content is now surfaced based on its value to the audience. So all the views, all video views are then assessed by the proof of view, that is POV technology, to ensure that they are real and the video has been watched by a real person who is actually watching the content. So once a view has been confirmed as legitimate, it is anonymized and then added to the Veracity blockchain for 100% transparency. By eliminating fake views, the Veracity ecosystem is able to fairly value the content regardless of content type, audience, demographic, or a third party's monetization strategy. So, for all the users, this means a better, more fair, and valuable platform. Veracity has got something for everyone. Here, everyone wins. For viewers, such content is recommended and surfaced that has been seen and engaged by real users. A true value of the content can therefore be established, and the most appropriate content for the viewer is surfaced. As viewers transact directly with creators, content can accurately valued by the audience rather than distorted by a third party. Now, for creators, by building a real engaged audience, you can grow the value of your content and channel on Veracity. With donations, pay-per-view and subscription models all built in, everything from high-reach quick clips to in-depth niche lectures can find a home with Veracity. For advertisers and sponsors, they can get seen by real users. So no more inflated metrics. Get real views and get real reach. By paying viewers directly for their attention, reach engaged and opt-in audience rather than people who are just waiting for the skip button. So this is how Veracity is tackling the two biggest problems of the advertisement industry. But that's not it. Veracity has also developed its very own wallet called as the Vera wallet. Vera wallet is the official wallet of Veracity where you can store VRA tokens. It has over 80,000 plus users worldwide, and it's safe and secure and provides one of the best staking returns in the industry. Yes, if you hold your VRA in the Vera wallet and stake it, you can get up to 25% interest annually, and that's an insane interest. By the way, I'm soon going to add a video where I will show you how to stake VRA and earn free money. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on that video. Now let us see what has the Veracity team achieved so far, and I need you to pay attention to this topic because it will help you see how the team is working and then make your investment decision. So the Veracity was launched in 2019, and so far in this year it has raised almost 100x. The coin opened in 2021 trading at 0.0004, but now VRA is valued at approximately 0.012. Veracity has a market cap of $49 million and it is ranked at 407. So far 2021 has been great for Veracity. They have got their flagship algorithm proof of view patented. They have launched various products and projects in the first quarter of 2021, like the video on demand sharing platform. It also acquired content for video on demand platform, and it has also launched esports fight club video player. In the second and the third quarter, they have organized branded tournaments for influencers and streamers. They have also launched an in-game advertisement with a gaming partnership. The fourth quarter is going to be an amazing one for Veracity, as in the fourth quarter they have got NFTs, which is quite a big thing for Veracity. Previously, NFT faced various challenges, but according to Veracity, the proof of you can solve the major NFT challenges by creating transparent and unchangeable records of the NFT. They have also launched the EFC stores and Vera mobile wallet. Now that you know everything you need to know about Verasity, I would like to give my opinion and prediction of this coin. But before that, I want to clarify that this is not any financial advice and this is just my opinion. And before you invest in any kind of project, any kind of cryptocurrency, I want you to do your own research. Look, the advertisement industry spends around $400 billion on ads and approximately 160 billion wasted through ads watched by the bots. This is the major problem not only for the advertisement companies but for the advertisement providers and also for the content creators. So sooner or later, people will realize this problem and they will move towards such technologies, which will not only save their money from being wasted but also provide money to the viewers. So now just think about it. If Veracity covers only the 10% market of that of the wasted, that is 160 billion ad money, it will be huge for the investors. And if that happens, the market cap of Veracity will be at $1.6 billion and the price will shoot up. The market cap of Veracity is around $49 million right now and the circulating supply is 3.8 billion. So if the circulating supply remains the same at the time the market cap increases to $1.6 billion, the price of VRA, that is Veracity, could easily reach 40 cents. So Veracity is one of those tokens that are functional and potentially profitable. So Veracity not only has an impressive vision but also has dedication towards its plan, and they have already released products with proper planning. For Q2, they have planned an upgrade that will integrate through POV enabled smart contract, and if everything goes according to the plan, then this will be the most supported blockchain technology in the future days because of its customer centered project. I think this coin could be closing 2021 at 10 cents, but only if the bull run resumes. I truly think that in 2 years or maybe sooner, it will hit $1, and simply because it is consistent and it has got good reputation over the years and it has patented POV. Now, before I end this video, let me tell you one more thing. Veracity has recently applied for a patent in competition with IBM, in which they can use NFTs to host patents globally. So if you have any new invention or maybe a new product and you want to patent it, then you can do that through Veracity's blockchain. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button and also let me know what do you think about this project in the comments section below. Also, I will be back very soon with another great project analysis, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.